This week we're off balance on purpose with Mark Schulman.
Oh my gosh!
So we're here at the Renaissance Festival, but
It's amazing.
But it's a show day for you.
It's a show day for me. I'm playing at the Phillips Arena. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm playing with Pink tonight. Dan and your entire family are coming. I'm so excited because we bonded when we did a gig together, and he saw me play drums during the corporate speaking gig, but he's never seen me play drums with Pink, and we're very excited about that.
Let's talk about energy and how you peak in your life for the big challenges, because like we got you up early, you're a rock star, we got you up, we got you down here, we've been at the festival all day. I know you haven't had a lot to eat, you've been having some coffee, whatever, but pacing yourself because you know tonight's a big night.
Yeah.
So that's something we have to do as performers quite often, is to be ready for that big moment.
I call it a school night.
A school night.
So whenever I know I'm going to be playing the next day, and essentially I have as relaxing as a day as I can. I mean, I might do a little bit of a workout because I need to stay in shape, but all of my energy and all of my intention is setting me up for being on stage. And what I talk about when I speak is that, you know, it's to achieve sort of this rock star state. You know, for the rock star performers, there are no small moments. Every detail is critical. So I am so focused and so nuanced when I'm on stage. I'm hyper aware of not only everything that I'm doing, but I'm there to be of service to the band members, Pink, and the audience. And to be that, to be of service in that way, I need to be incredibly focused on every little nuance. So it's like I'm not only paying attention to everything that I'm doing, but I'm putting all of that attention and energy into everything that everybody else is doing. So we're responding in real time.
That's awesome. How can the audience apply this? How can these people peak their own energy at the right moments and better tune into the people in their lives?
I think it's a matter of looking at everything you do as being of service. That's my philosophy. What can I do for you? And what can I do for my wife, my kid? You know, when my wife and my kid are happy, I'm happy. As one thing I learned as a drummer all these years, the drummer is like the shepherd of the band. We are the foundation. So I've learned to take an approach of being foundational. That if I make sure that I'm supporting everybody else to the point where even when we're walking out to do our prayer circle, when we're going to go into the boss's room, I make sure everybody goes in before me. When we're all walking out to the bus, I make sure everybody gets in before me. I take this approach of being the one who is the foundation, who's the support. And as I said, that way, as part of the team, as part of the organization, because I grew up playing in bands. It's all about the team, it's all about the band. And I work with guitar players, and singers, and bass players, and now I've been working with corporate clients, and I'm working with meeting planners. My goal is to make it easy for everybody. I do the work, but that is, to me, getting in the ultimate state. To me, the ultimate state of being on point is being of service.
That's awesome, Mark. Well, thank you for your energy. Thank you for your friendship.
I love you, brother.
And rock it tonight.
We will rock it. And what can I do for you? What can we do for you?
What can we do for you? Just let us know in your comments below, and you can write to me, write to Mark, and we'll be talking to you again in future episodes, right?
Cheers. Absolutely.
All right. See ya.